Welcome to the Circus in Bath. Isn't it wonderful? Century box. It's where the guard stood, making sure everyone was behaving themselves in the park. It's not really, you know what it really is, don't you? It's a secret lift. So they open the door, they step in and it goes...
And where does it go down to?
It goes down to a secret government bunker for all the posh people in the houses here.
Hello, hello.
It's called century egg.
Century.
That's tomatoes with eggs. Garlic with the broccoli.
Oh.
That's with you.
Best bit.
Hey everyone, this is me Becky and my partner Mel, and we both have camper
Don't you have to watch this? Why? Look.
Hey everyone,
He's just messing
Look,
around.
my partner Mel, and we both have camper vans.
Welcome to the Circus in Bath. Forgive us if we have blue tongues. We've been eating bubblegum flavoured lollies. Didn't realise it would leave our mouths looking a bit on the blue side of things. Nevertheless, look at this wonderful place we're at right now. So let's take a look around at this wonderful architecture. I asked for an iced mocha. I got a mocha without any ice. Becky got ice with hers.
Caramel with coconut and sweet.
Joyce got 2 straws. Charlie got none.
Charlie got none, no.
But Toby, luckily, was given a spoon so I can help myself to Becky's ice. Winner, chicken dinner. Cheers.
So this house behind me apparently is where a famous astronomer lived who discovered the planet Uranus. Let's go and have a look quick. Well, there you have it, guys. That's our short tour of Bath for the day. Join us again for another video over in our members area. Take care, everyone, and we'll see you soon. Bye!